and welcome to what amounts to football heaven. It doesn't get a whole lot better than this. The conditions are utopian. The sky is blue, and the players are with us for a football match so widely and keenly anticipated. Truly, this is pristine, and the level of expectation and excitement is reflected in the smiling faces of the crowd. They know it means so much, and they also experience between them a great sense of privilege at being able to attend this most special of games. Certainly this is a very, very impressive venue, quite a sight to behold. And already we're underway here. Who do you think this turns on, Jim?
Who else but Lionel Messi? I don't need to tell anyone what he's capable of. Some critics don't rate him as the best player on the planet. That's because the Argentinian, for me, is on a different planet.
I think the opposition defence agree too. He's going to be the source of so many of their headaches. Tiagne. Now it's Arda Turan. And here's Arda Turan. Great strength, too strong for his opponent. Messi. Messi, can he get through? Dybala unable to make it happen for all his good intentions. Tashdemir.
It can only get better, this. We haven't seen a shot yet, and I'm hoping that when we do, it'll spark a whole series of them, because it needs livening up.
Keeper's got good distance on that. And it's Messi. It's come through. Goes for goal! There it is! He was urged to shoot, and he duly delivered.
Paulo Dybala was the obvious danger man here, and yet he was afforded way too much freedom. I think he was gifted that goal. His reputation should have been warning enough for him.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
It's so often the case with goal scorers, little influence, and all of a sudden